Welcome to AUX Physics. It's regular physics, but it doesn't stay there. Every unit gets pushed to AP Physics level depth, as well as AP Physics level problems, and it stays algebra-based the entire way through. Before we get into the resources of this course and how to use it, let's understand what it really is covering, okay? Because there's a lot of students that have trouble making this distinction. AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2 are algebra-based. You don't need calculus for either of them. But AP Physics C, Mechanics and E&M, is a completely different course. It's built on derivatives and integrals from the first day itself. This course is not that. Every standard you'll find here, mechanics, energy, torque, fields, waves, it stays algebra-based, solvable with a simple calculator, but still reaches the depth that AP1 and AP2 actually test at. Because that's my goal. This channel is built to help you encounter the hardest problems, the problems that you've never studied for, but still bear through them regardless and still get them correct. So why is this course so problem-solving heavy? The depth doesn't come from harder lectures. It comes from harder problems, which test more depth itself, right? In order to do a harder problem, you need to understand the concept better. Every standard in this course is built to the hardest tier it's actually graded at, okay? Not eased in with the easy version first. Kinematics isn't just plugging into an equation. You need a free body diagram, a motion graph, and the right kinematic equation working together. Okay, torque and center of mass scale into real multi-body systems. Coulomb's law carries the same weight the E&M section of Physics 2 carries, AP Physics 2. If a topic shows up here, it shows up at the level it is tested at. It shows up at the depth and the concentration and the real meaning behind it, as well as every single kind of problem that you can encounter. Because I'll help you both understand how to do the problems as well as understand the concept. And with both these facets of knowledge, you'll be nearly unstoppable in the physics course. So how to use auxlearning.com. Everything lives free on auxlearning.com, okay? Every standard has a video walkthrough that solves the hardest problem of the problem on screen, hardest version of the problem on screen. Every standard has a hard practice PDF, full problem set, and a full worked answer key. And I have emails as well if you want to look at those and you want to email me regarding any questions. And you can also try booking a session, but up to like 30 learners per session. Okay? And if you want it live, of course, try booking a session. But I have video walkthroughs which go through every subject and every facet of the problem. And I have hard practice PDFs that you might not see, right? Because you get hard questions that you've never encountered before. But now you will encounter them. And it's structured standard by standard. And it's very problem solving heavy, but matches that heaviness with its depth and meaning. Because that's what I aim to teach, the depth and meaning, as well as how to do the problems. So you get both the understanding of where that's coming from, and then you can use that in your course to tackle any problems. So I hope you're going to have fun with this course, and I hope you understand the beauty behind physics as well as help yourself and marvel in physics. Thank you, and feel free to check out auxlearning.com and give me a subscription and a like if I helped you.